Chemist Direct Honest review. Watch before using. This video will give you no nonsense, but will give you very straightforward and honest review. So, Chemist Direct is a UK-based online pharmacy offering a wide range of over-the-counter medication, prescription services, health products, and beauty items. They aim to provide customers with convenient access to healthcare products at competitive price. And here are the key features about this website. Over 20,000 products, including medicines, vitamins, beauty products, and pet care items are available. And also they offer online consultation and prescription fulfillment. Also provide various delivery services, including standard and next door delivery within the UK. And here the favorable part about this website, it comes to wide selection, to an extensive range of products catering to diverse health and wellness needs. And also it comes with an online ordering with home delivery service, saves times and effort. Also it often offers products at low price compared to traditional pharmacies. So here is the downside of this website. Some customers have reported difficulties in reaching customer support and solving issues, and there have been instances of delayed deliveries or orders not arriving as scheduled. And also, occasionally reports of items being out of stock after order has been placed. And here is the final conclusion about this website. Chemist Direct offer a vast selection of health wellness products at competitive price, make it a convenient option for online pharmacy needs. However, potential customers should be aware of reported issues related to customer services and delivery reliability. It is advisable to review recent customer feedback and consider these factors when deciding to purchase from Chemist Direct.